Hey friends, I was just sitting here editing a video and realized this one probably needs a little bit of an introduction. So VickyVanGo and I met back up with FrugalRVGal and TheDanVan at Natchez Trace State Park. And then Lessons with Lilah came down to meet up with us, and our special guest stars Nanna Cat and Tricia B came out. It was so much fun. It was like meeting back up with old friends, only I'd never met Nanna or Tricia before. Such good ladies, such fun. We had so much fun. So this video is just a little bit about what happened during the weekend. As you'll see, lots of eating, lots of dancing, lots of laughter, and just lots of good times. Just doesn't get much better than this, you guys. So I hope whatever you're doing, you're having fun too, because we sure did. Y'all stay lost, my friends.
She's lost. She's lost on land again. They lost my friend. Lost on land again.
What you cooking, Ferg?
This is ground turkey.
Ground turkey, yum.
Yeah. It will eventually be a chileriano casserole.
Awesome. Dinner.
I'm telling you.
Frugal's not even messing around. She's got the large can of hatch.
They're hard to come by.
And she's dancing.
It's glass all down there, and look at the way.
Nice. So she already put the taco meat in and the...
Chileriano, half the cheese, and both.
Mmm.
Now more cheese.
More cheese.
It's a secret recipe.
It's not a secret anymore, though.
It's still, I haven't poured the special ingredient.
Oh, the special sauce.
Yeah, the
Special
special sauce.
sauce applied. That just might be yummy. I'll call that dinner.
Yeah, I'm not dancing. Who's dancing?
Tammy. Oh, that looks delicious, Ferg.
Hope you like it.
Let's eat and find out.
Raisins. Gotta put raisins
You
on
got
it.
raisins?
And you gotta put pecans.
Okay. Let's do this. This'll do.
An option is sour cream.
Alright. See? Say, Nanna, I hear you're a brisket virgin.
Oh, I'm definitely a brisket virgin, but you know it's about to end.
Alright, let's see what you think. Is it good?
That was awesome.
Is it the best you've ever
It was
had?
the best I've ever had.
Awesome. Well, it's your first brisket, so yeah, I get that.
It's awesome. Thank you.
Glad you like it.
I love it.
There you go.
Hold it over the coals and it'll turn brown.
Oh, yours is fixing to catch on fire.
Oh, look, how cool
Right.
is that?
You can just blow it out.
Oh. Blow it out. Blow, Nanna, blow.
Sure did.
There you go.
Or
Wow.
blow it out though first, thanks. Okay, cool.
Wow.
Now
I
what?
can't even purr. Now what? You're waiting. I know what you're waiting. It's going to be a minute. I like mine in Friday, y'all.
And what's your method, Charlie?
I burn the outside
And then,
and then peel it off, eat it, and then put it
Yeah.
back on and cook it
Yeah.
again.
See, I like to do that
yeah.
sometimes too.
Well, look, see, this is what you do right here. Look at it.
Yeah.
Tricia's a perfectionist. Makes it just perfect.
Because it'll crust over again.
Damn, that's perfect.
I lost
Is
my
it
dog.
good? You did.
Sam.
Girl, honey.
Yours looks like a cupcake.
Oh, it's getting a little muffin top on it.
Yeah, life does not get any better than this.
No.
My mom and dad wouldn't let us kids have these.
Why?
Because somebody dropped one around the campfire and stepped on it and tracked it into the camper.
Gosh, look at this.
And said, nope, no more.
Come here.
Yeah, just do
Is
that
that golden
and peel it
goodness?
off, and then
Yum.
So good. Look at it.
Oh, that is
Where's
nice.
Dan when we need him?
It's first.
What is it?
I don't know. What is it?
What is it?
What is it?
It's a potty seat cover.
Oh, a potty seat cover? No,
Yeah.
this would be a Dutch oven liner.
Liner, what's left of the Dutch oven liner.
Dutch oven queen?
Well, see if you can get it around your waist.
Then you have to
try.
put one arm through.
And then it will become a tutu.
Just one arm, not two.
Okay,
No, one
okay,
arm.
now be careful.
Oh.
You were
You didn't know you were so busted.
Busty.
Yeah.
Good try, good try.
See? Just go on YouTube.